Hi there, thanks for joining me back in the garage. We're on the 1 Series, the convertible roof. It's absolutely filthy. I'll show you you can see we've got these stains of green algae and it's in depth, it's ingrained into the material. Bit clean around the back, the sides are not too bad, but it's mainly on the top there. It's the moss, the algae. It gets in there, it's got this horrible stain to it. Last time I did a really deep clean on this was 5 years ago, and I used the Autoglym roof cleaning kit, which worked really well. I've got a video on that one, I'll put the link to that in the description. But I say 5 years ago, it's obviously got a lot of dirt and debris back in it again. Today, I'm on this one. This is the Meguiars Convertible Top Cleaner. Let's give this a go. It's always nice to try something different. Like I say, the Autoglym did work really well. But let's try this, see if it's any good. We wet the roof down. Just get rid of any loose dirt and debris that's on the top. We then apply this stuff, agitate it into the top, and then rinse it off. I'm going to use the pressure washer. People will go, don't use a pressure washer on your roof. Use a pressure washer, but use it carefully. Don't get really, really close. And on a soft setting, it's absolutely fine. There's a lot of haters who say, don't use pressure washers on roofs. It's fine, it's absolutely fine. You can see on here, we've got some marks from where the pressure washer has got some of the green algae out of it. But this hasn't had a decent clean, like I say, for 5 years. Let's get on it, let's get it rinsed off, get some of this Meguiars in there, see if it's any good. Right, I'll just give this a good wafting off to start with. Like I say, keeping it nice and far away while we're just wetting it down. Just 2 feet away from the roof. Okay, so that's shifted all that loose hair, any bird shit that's on there, that's all gone. Let's get some of that Meguiars on there. So it says apply it quite liberally, so we'll get plenty on there. Really concentrating on the green, the really green bits. I'll put links in the description for this. Off of Amazon, it came in the post next day. Can't beat Amazon, it's great. Okay, we've got a good coating on there now. In the Autoglym kit, it came with this agitating sponge, which is quite a coarse sponge. You can use a microfiber mitt if that's what you want to use, just to rub it in. Now this, you just give it a... You can see that doing the job. But I've been watching some pro cleaners and they've been using one of these with the brush. So it's your little drill with this, it's coarse-ish. I'll put links in the description. This was £9 for a pack of like about 5 different sizes. Let's give this a go. Save a bit of that elbow grease. I'm not going to press too hard with it. I'm just going to go gently. You can use these on interior carpets, seats. They work really, really well. It's a bit messy, I'm going to be covered in it in a minute. Gets right into these edges, that does, that's really good. Yeah, nice impressive bit of kit, and it's not damaging the roof at all. I can't see any fibres being pulled up or anything. So we'll keep going nice and steady with it. I'll try and keep this wet if I can. Got the sun getting on this side a bit. Drying it out. You can really see that green coming out in that cleaner. It's lifting it, isn't it? It's definitely working. It's doing something. You know, it's going on clear and then it's turning into that greeny, orangey paste. Let's just speed things up a little bit. I don't want to bore you to death, but you can really see how that's working. This is on 4 times speed, so I'm not I'm not working that quick. I'm not going a million miles an hour with this. I'm keeping it nice and consistent at a nice slow speed. This stuff evaporates off quite quick. So paying quite a bit of attention around that rear window where there was plenty of green in all those little joints. I've gone over most of this twice. That don't look too bad. I don't think we're too far away. Yeah, that sun is still trying to just catch us. It's not directly above. I've got the roof, but it is coming in from the side. Just drying out that roof a bit quick and the glass. I'll just give it a quick wafting. I'll just try and get most of this off the bodywork and off the windows. Get a bit more on. Still got some left in the bottle. And I'm going to use the sponge and just go over it a little bit by hand. Right, let's blast that off. See what it looks like. I know this is going to take some getting off. Then the suds just get right into that material. And I remember from the Autoglym it did take quite a lot of rinsing. But look at that green foam coming out. It's amazing. There is a lot of debris coming out of there, look. A lot of algae running down the side of the car. Right, it's taking some rinsing. You still see the bubbles coming out. Oh, I don't know about this. I'm looking at that and I can still see green algae. Look at that, can you see that still? Still got a lot of it. We've got my shadow in the way, but you can still see that when the sun shines on it. Let's go again. Let's go again. Oh, we're going to the bottom of the bottle. That's your lot, that's the old bottle on there. Just work them last few dregs out. Then we're going to give it a super scrubbing again. So I've got the machine on it once more. And you can still see there's green coming out. It's still coming out of there. So there's definitely some still in the roof that we're getting at. So that's 2 lots now, 2 scrubs. So you can still see the green coming out of it, look. But that's the whole bottle gone. It's still there, I can still see it. Let's scrub it again by hand, give it another good scrubbing. just worked it and see if we can shift a bit more. Oh yeah. Oh, it's blasted up again. I can still see it in there. I can still see green. That's had a lot of scrubbing as well. A lot of scrubbing. Look, you can still see it, look. It's definitely there. I'm sure we got better results with the Autoglym. I've still got half a bottle of the Autoglym stuff left, and I'm going to go over it again with this and see if we can shift these last bits, because I'm not happy with that. This seems to go a lot further as well. I'm whacking it on and it doesn't seem like it's going down as much. I've still got another quarter of a bottle left there. On the Meguiar instructions it does say to rinse it off straight away. The Autoglym one says if it's really stubborn you can leave it, cover it with a bit of plastic and leave it overnight to really get in and get at the algae. Right, let's leave that for 20 minutes and let it do its business. I'll just rinse off the bodywork where I've got some residue sprayed over. Okay, so it's 20 minutes. Let's give this a blast off and see what it looks like. Has it made any difference to it? Still there, look, still there. How stubborn that is. We might have to leave it overnight then. It's definitely still there. I'm going to go over this now with the wet and dry hoover and just see if I can pull anything else out. Draft vacuum, what a bit of kit. Let's have a really close look at this roof then and see what we've got. Undoubtedly it looks a lot better than it did, but we've still got some stains. It's not so bad when you look at it from this side, but you come round when you look at it from the side with the sun behind you and you can see it a lot more noticeably. Let's get my head out of the way. Oh, I've got shadows. Let's go from here. Yeah, well you can see that, can't you? Clearly we've still got algae in there. It's not got that big old stain there as well. It looks better, but I'm not overly happy with that. So what's the verdict on the Meguiars then? Oof, well, it cleaned. Yes, it's done a job. It's done a job. It has cleaned some of the algae out. It looks better than it did. You can see we've got these stains of green algae, and it's in depth. It's ingrained into the material. Yeah, well, you can see that, can't you? Clearly we've still got algae in there, but there's still some really ingrained dirt in there, and I'm sure that when I did it with the Autoglym kit 5 years ago, it got rid of all of that green algae out of there. I'll go back to the previous video if I can find it. It's hidden well deep somewhere, and I'll have a quick look and just see what the results were, and we can just compare the two, see if there was a difference. But yeah, there's a lot of scrubbing gone into that as well, a lot of scrubbing, and it's still got stains in there. The Autoglym stuff says that you can put this on and leave it overnight. There's nothing in the instructions for the Meguiars to say anything like that. It just says put it on and then rinse it straight off. So yeah, I can't see anything there. And when I've looked at the video, I've looked at Meguiar UK's video. They've done a clean on a roof of a beetle. So there's a custom beetle that they've done a roof clean on. After he's cleaned the roof, he goes back into his workshop and he says, "Oh, I've had to get my brush out and scrub all around the edges where the green algae was because it hadn't got it out." And it didn't show you any of that.
So when we got the car into the bay and we dried it off, we noticed that in these kind of intricate areas there was still quite a bit of embedded green mildew and moss in the convertible top. So we used a nylon brush, really lubricated the surface, and used a microfiber towel on the edge of the brush to kind of really work the surface. And what that did is kind of really go at it and drag out that dirt and grime that's really embedded into the fibre. So that really does help when removing stubborn stains from your convertible. So
really the proof is in the pudding. If they're using their stuff and they don't get the green algae out, we ain't got no chance, have we? So I think I'll give that a miss and I'll stick with the Autoglym. If you know of any product that's better, please let me know and I'll try it. So yeah, if you know of a really good convertible roof cleaning product, better than Meguiar's and better than Autoglym, then yeah, drop me some comments in and I'll have a look at it and buy a can and see if we can make it look a bit better than it does. Because yeah, it's either that or I'm going to have to buy another. I'll buy another pack of the Autoglym and give it a really good overnight soaking and get rid of this green stuff. If this one's been of use, if you've enjoyed it, if it's yeah, if you've learnt anything, I haven't, then drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day.